Towards the end of last year, I did a workshop on Cubism. I was really worried as to how it was going to be received. However, I needn't have worried, because as I found it so much fun to develop and put the workshop together, so the people who came to the workshop enjoyed it so much. It was so enjoyable that I decided to put it into this term's classes. And we started off where we all had exactly the same image of a rhino. From there, with a few do's and don'ts, this is what we've come up with. And I've decided to put it into a video just to make it more fun for everybody to have a look at. So after 2 weeks, some of us had done one rhino in the cubism form, some had done 2, some had done 3, and some people had actually gone off on a tangent. The extension project for the Cubism weeks was to take Cubism to the next phase and to do it by drawing items or an item from different perspectives. So this was a lot more in line with what Picasso and the other cubists were actually doing. Here are a few of the examples that have been coming through.